Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Firework. I'm here with my fifth stash update. Just picked up a few cakes, nothing much. I got another pickup tomorrow too, so I have another update tomorrow. But see, I had to show y'all this shit tonight. But I'm gonna start with the first one. Y'all can already see golden arrow, PGL. Pick that up. Pick this up. Never heard of that brand. Target Firework. It's called Dino Blaster. I know one thing to tell you the duration and all that other shit like that, but yeah, I picked that up. Yeah, that's the one I picked up. Big boy. 200 shots. Yeah, 200 shots. My big boy. I was gonna pick up. He had another one, but I'd rather just get more banger cakes than just. It's good enough for me. So yeah. So far, the ones I picked up. All my other shit. And the other shit I got in the room too. So I'm gonna do a final stash update tomorrow. So everybody stay tuned, man. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's have a safe ass 4th out here, man. Everybody enjoy. Peace.